It is time for us to create an embedded form. Click on it, and there are several premium forms, but since we are using the free account, we can only choose from the simple theme and the postman theme. Personally, I always work with the free account. It has worked very well so far, and I like the simple theme. So let's choose that theme. Let's choose the same list, and let's name this form sample list number 2. Create form, and let's write something really similar. We have a new field here, a footnote. You can tell your subscribers that you are not going to send them any spam or undesired messages. This is very important. I suggest that you do not abuse your ability to send them messages. Send them only important information. You can change this message if you want. I won't. Let's change the thank you message. Save and continue. Let's change the appearance of our form. Save and continue. And we're going to add the same fields we did in the previous form. Okay, there it is. So let's change the behavior of this form. We are going to deactivate all of these options in the form placement tab. What happens after the user subscribes? As I told you, you can send them to a different URL or a different web page within your website, or you can do nothing at all. Let's set a new display rule. Only show on WordPress homepage. If that's the page you want the form to show on, click on Done. Save and continue. We're not going to integrate this form. So we are going to use a WordPress shortcode to embed this form. So let's copy this code and go back to your web page. Where could we embed this form? How about besides this video? How do we do that? Very easily. Let's locate where our video is. I think this is a place. Click on the Edit Row Settings and set the row layout to 2. Click on Done. Now, our row is divided into 2 columns. Click on the empty column and let's add the editor widget. Click on the edit settings of the editor. Go to the text tab and paste the code we copied. Click on Done. Let's update. And let's see how that looks. Excellent. Now you can see that the MailMunch form is showing next to our video in one of the columns. So this form will work the same way this other form works. If your user or visitor subscribes, you will get their information. This does not look pretty good. Let's fix that. let's delete this headline and this button. Let's update. There it is. It looks better. So you already know how to embed forms or subscribing forms for your visitors. What else there is for you to learn? How about we send autoresponders? MailMunch recently integrated the autoresponder function. How does it work? Go to your MailMunch account and click on the autoresponder tab. If you do not know what an autoresponder is, I'll tell you. When your visitor subscribes, he or she expects some immediate information. You are not always available to send these messages right away. So when someone subscribes to your list, MailMunch will send an automatic message to your subscribers immediately, as soon as they subscribe. So let's create the first email. You can write the subject like your discount is here. You can personalize this subject by adding their first name. This is why I like to add the first name, because when you call people by their names, the open rates increase. Who is this from? These messages will be from your business or from you or whoever you want. In this case, I'll write my name. What's the sender email? This is my email. Save and next. You can write your message here. You can personalize it as well. The default value is missing for a subscriber. This, for instance, if someone did not write their name in your form, which is impossible because it is a required field, you can leave this blank. This is your discount. Or whatever you want. Whatever you want your message to be, you write it here. You can change the text color. You can change the alignment of the text. Even change the font and font family and font sizes. Click on Save and Next. And choose the list. In this case, we're going to send this message to the sample list we created. Remember, you can create as many lists as you want and create as many autoresponder as you want. You can send a test email or save and finish. Click on Start Autoresponder, and there it is. You can see how many autoresponders were sent, how many of them were opened, and how many of them were clicked in case you want them to visit somewhere else in your website. Okay, this autoresponder service is quite limited, but it could do the job for very simple tasks. I suggest you get a service provider like MailChimp, which is very professional, or ActiveCampaign. So, if you have any questions regarding the MailMunch forms, just send me a message and I will be eager to help you.